Career Launcher. This is the Undri branch. Today we have someone special with us. We have Mrigang Sharma, who just secured admission to
ECU, Cambridge University.
So let's hear his journey. Hello Mrigang, congratulations first of all. How are you feeling right now?
Thank you very much. I'm feeling very great, and I can't just believe that I got selected at ECU. I was very hopeless in the beginning that what will happen to me, will I be ever selected in any kind of colleges or not. But right now I am selected in ECU for BBA in Marketing Management, and I'm feeling very good right now.
Tell us about yourself, like where are you from and how was the overall experience in Career Launcher?
Okay, so I'm from Giridih, Jharkhand. Right now I'm residing in Pune, in Maharashtra, and I came to know about Career Launcher. Actually, the institute, the Career Launcher, it came to my society for their advertisement. So I read about that they are preparing for IP MATs and for the integrated program management to get into the IIMs directly after 12th. So I enrolled myself because I was very much interested in these things like management and courses. So I enrolled myself in Career Launcher.
So what was your goal when you started? Like was PCU always your dream college?
No, ECU was not my dream college. It was specifically IIMs because it has a different, reputation. But I chose ECU because I was not having only one focus that I want to go into IIM, nothing at all. But my thing is that you should always try your best. You should try looking into different colleges and universities, and also you should always try that I will get into something and I will do always better than that.
So about your preparation, what was the toughest part?
For my preparation, I was really weak in quants, if I say. I was very weak. So I asked my teachers at Career Launcher, and what can I do in order to improve myself? So teachers over here are also very helpful. They helped me. Whatever the questions I was not I was not able to solve properly or was facing any kind of difficulties. Teachers are here to help you. They will rectify each and every steps. They will also repeat the questions if you are not understanding in one way. They will tell you 10 times. So teachers are here very much helpful. So that helped me a lot.
So was there a moment you felt like giving up? How did you push through that?
Yeah, there was a moment when I felt very much depressed because I gave my IP MAT exam this year and the score was not up to the mark. That means I was not selected for personal interview in IIMs. So I was really disappointed because my marks were very low. I thought that teachers would tell me and then scold me like what you are doing. It is not the way. Look at your friends; they are getting selected and they are doing everything. So I thought that, but the reality was like it was a difference between the sky and land. What happened? The teachers they motivated me instead of scolding. They told me that you should never give up. Don't worry, don't get upset. Whatever marks you have got, don't get upset. Try your best. You will always, if you will believe in yourself, then you will get into any colleges in Pune. There are many colleges. You try your best. And he was right at that time. And I believed in myself. I worked hard, and I got selected in 6 colleges, which was a really proud thing.
That's very nice. Any specific class session or strategy from the center that really worked for you?
Yeah, there are. We have smart classes also over here, so to understand the concepts that is very easy, and we have highly professional teachers over here, which will help you to just pursue anything in any subject. They will help you to achieve that.
So you got the admission. So how was your family reaction after that?
Family reaction was like, okay, you are doing something, right? Instead, they were very proud of me that yes, he's doing something. Okay, it's okay, and he's getting into admission in ECU. But that's okay. I will work.
So looking back from where you came from, what's one thing you tell your past self from day one?
Since day one, I told you before that I was not really in a hope that I will get selected in any of the colleges. But the only thing that made me selected in various colleges is that it is only one thing, that is confidence. If you have a better confidence, it doesn't matter you get rejected from any kind of examinations or what. but you will get selected. Specifically, if I talk about BBA in marketing management, so over here people prefer to improve your communication skills because these things are depending mostly about the communication. So I improved it a lot. I worked upon my communication skill. I canceled all my stage fears and I can directly talk face to face without any concern. So it helped me a lot in the beginning.
What advice would you give to your students, like the junior students who are currently preparing and feeling stressed or are unsure about what they're doing right now?
Okay, so the advice I can give is that just believe in yourself and always work hard. It doesn't matter, no, you don't have to put your all efforts to one examination. There are many exams, you can clear that, and just believe in yourself and your hard work. That's it.
So, final question for you, Mrigank. I have taken a lot of your time. In one line, how would you describe your experience at the career launcher Undri branch?
Career launcher at Mundri branch was amazing experience. I studied here for 1 year. I joined this institute when I was in 12th, and at that time I wanted to prepare for ITM. And the teachers over here, they really helped me a lot. They guided me what to do, how to prepare for the examinations. So it was a good experience at career launcher.
Thank you so much, Mrigank, and congratulations once again. So, that was Mrigank from Career Launcher Undri.